Steve here from Coffee Collection. Thanks for dropping in. This activated descaler is one of the best descalers I've ever used in my 15, 16 years of servicing coffee machines. It helps to keep your machine out of the tech's workshop, and that's got to be a good thing, eh? You get 40 uses, that's less than $1.20 every 2 months, and I recommend you do it you descale your machine every 2 months. Lime scale will ruin your machine. As you can see here is a before and after shot of a boiler that has not been descaled regularly. You can use this descaler on all brands of coffee machines, whether it's an automatic coffee machine or whether it's a home espresso machine or a commercial machine. We at Coffee Collections, there's no risk. We have great feedback. You can make a great espresso at home. You can get the caffeine hit every week. I send out an email every week, keep you updated on what's happening in this wonderful industry, the coffee industry. Quick and easy machine maintenance. So go back to the top, add to the cart, spend a little, save heaps, and don't let limescale ruin your machine. See you later. Steve from Coffee Collection.